English Learning Network.
50 simple office use English sentences. I just arrived at the office.
I just arrived at the office.
I need to finish this task.
I need to finish this task.
I will start working now.
I will start working now.
I have a lot of work today.
I have a lot of work today.
I will complete it soon.
I will complete it soon.
Let me check my emails.
Let me check my emails.
I need to reply to this message.
I need to reply to this message.
I will send the report today.
I will send the report today.
I am working on this project.
I am working on this project.
I will update you later.
I will update you later.
Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this?
Let's work on this together.
Let's work on this together.
I agree with your idea.
I agree with your idea.
That's a good suggestion.
That's a good suggestion.
I have a different opinion.
I have a different opinion.
Let's discuss this later.
Let's discuss this later.
I understand your point.
I understand your point.
Please explain it again.
Please explain it again.
That makes sense to me.
That makes sense to me.
I will think about it.
I will think about it.
The meeting will start soon.
The meeting will start soon.
Let's begin the meeting.
Let's begin the meeting.
Please share your ideas.
Please share your ideas.
I have something to add.
I have something to add.
Let's keep it short.
Let's keep it short.
We will discuss this topic.
We will discuss this topic.
I will take notes.
I will take notes.
Let's move to the next point.
Let's move to the next point.
The meeting is over now.
The meeting is over now.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time.
I have sent the email.
I have sent the email.
Did you receive my message?
Did you receive my message?
Please check your inbox.
Please check your inbox.
I will respond soon.
I will respond soon.
Let me confirm this.
Let me confirm this.
I will forward the email.
I will forward the email.
Please attach the file.
Please attach the file.
I forgot to include the file.
I forgot to include the file.
I will resend it.
I will resend it.
Thank you for your reply.
Thank you for your reply.
I am running late today.
I am running late today.
I will be there in 10 minutes.
I will be there in 10 minutes.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
I will finish this by today.
I will finish this by today.
I need more time for this.
I need more time for this.
This task is urgent.
This task is urgent.
I will do it first.
I will do it first.
I have completed my work.
I have completed my work.
Let's wrap up for today.
Let's wrap up for today.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.